friends, welcome back to Llama Mama Kayla's Yarn Tube. I'm Kayla. Thanks for stopping by today. I'm so excited that you are here. I'm excited that I'm able to be here with you. And I'm excited that I got some new mini brand fashion balls. Big Daddy picked me up 3 of them from Walmart, and I'm so excited about those. Today is Saturday. It is a rainy, dreary day here in Monroe, Louisiana. But I am just going to enjoy my day in the house, crocheting, playing around, opening these blind balls. And I need to clean up in my doll room. That's what I need to do, but I may not do that today. But it is up there in some priorities. But anyway, so I had opened a couple of these about a week ago, and it was so much fun. I love them. I'm addicted to these balls, all kinds of the Zuru Mini Brands, and this is Fashion. And this is the 80 plus because I was told by a lady who is also addicted to these balls in Target that the 80 plus shoes fit the curvy Barbie. So here today I have a curvy Barbie here assisting me. I have Patina, the pampered poodle, assisting me, and Pee-wee's just sitting there laughing at us. So, haha. When I look at Pee-wee, that's what I hear. So anyway, these shoes do fit the curvy Barbie, and the tennis shoes were, I didn't force them on Patina, but somebody told me just force them on her. They will fit her. So I may do that or may not. I don't know. Anyway, let's open these balls and see what we got. I'm excited. I love these. I love trinkets and little small things, and these blind balls are just right up my alley. And it'd be nice if I could open it. There we go. All right, let's see if we can get that. And sorry, I have this finger is acting up and bothering me, so I can't use it too much. At times I just have to, but the tip of it is really in a lot of pain. And if you're new here and you know, wondering like what's going on with her hands, I have Raynaud's, and so I have lost fingers due to Raynaud's. I have a severe case of it. My fingers, hands seem to be medication resistant, so I have lost 6 fingers due to that. So, not that this video is about that. I just wanted to, you know, people be like, you know, why don't you have any fingers? That, or maybe I was kidnapped and my husband wouldn't pay the ransom and they kept cutting off fingers. Maybe that's it. All right, so first of all, what we got? What we got? All right, are y'all just as excited as I am? Because I'm really excited. Huh, that feels interesting. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. Look at that purse. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. And we know that MF stands for mini fashions. Not that other MF. That was so funny. I didn't know what MF stood for. Alright. So those are cute. Look at that. I wanted to say it looked like a paint can. I'm not sure, but it looks like a can. That is the cutest purse ever. Oh my gosh. Patina will love sporting that around. Won't you, Patina? That is so cute. Okay, let's see what's in this bag. You get 5 surprises, so. Oh my gosh. Cuteness overload. Oh my gosh. It is some pink and white tennis shoes. So adorable, so cute. Yes, I'm going to figure out how to get these on Patina. I might even get Big Daddy to look and see if he can like use the Dremel down in there and just make it a little bigger on the inside so her foot slips in easier. But those are the cutest. pink and white teeny shoes. Oh my gosh. Can y'all just see how cute that is? Oh, they're so adorable. So we have the purse and the pink and white teeny shoes. Oh, here's a hairband. It is pink with an M on it and some flowers, a butterfly. So, so cute. Oh my gosh. And then Patina got a kitty cat. She likes cats. So that is good. All right. That is such an adorable set. So cute. Oh my gosh. So I'll have to show Big Daddy what we got in our MF ball. That is a cute set. I love it. Okay. Moving on because we got 2 more to open. Yay. Okay. So let me figure out the best way I found for me to open these is just if I can get my little tool up under there. Since I have such hand issues, sometimes things are hard for me, but I figure it out. I don't give up. I'm not a quitter. Let's see if we can peel this like an orange. Yeah, the hardest part is getting in these balls. But you know, in stores, they don't want kids coming through and opening them all up. And kids seem to do that because they don't have parental people watching them in stores. They're so aggravating to see something you want and then to see that it's been opened and part of it's missing. All right, look at there. Ball number 2. All right. 2 packages. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, this might be the same thing. I don't know. Let's see what this is. Feels like a big purse. It's the basketball purse. Oh my gosh. Is that adorable? It is a MF basketball purse. Y'all, look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. I love dressing Patina up in, you know, cute outfits and always pairing a little purse to match her clothes. That is so cute. And the curvy Barbie, any of my dolls can use that. The curvy Barbie can use it, and Patina can. And, you know, Patina, she is my most photo doll, so that's why I'm always looking for stuff for her and mentioning Patina. But that is so cute. A basketball purse. Adorable. Oh my gosh. Y'all see why I'm addicted to these? They are so cute. Oh. And she got some pink and black and white teeny shoes. I don't know if these are like the others or not. I can't remember. But we did get some teeny shoes in the ones before that might be like these or might not be. I don't know. If they're repeats, then I, you know, can share with a friend. And then there's a little, that's not big enough for a waist. So I'm not sure what this would fit. It's too big. Let me see if I can make it where it would, that's the size it would be. So that's too big for an arm, wrist, I guess. And too small for the waist, ankle. Well, maybe it would fit up on the big part of the curvy Barbie's arm. I don't know, but I don't know what would keep it from sliding down. Maybe it'd be a collar for a necklace for Patina. You know, she is a dog. And then this, I guess, is like a scarf. So cute. Yeah, that's a scarf, and it is really cute. Very fashionable, great colors. Love it, love it. That basketball purse is everything, okay? And then these little shoes. There's a right foot and a left foot. They are so cute. So, so cute. Ah, adorable. All right, last ball. Let's see what we got, because I'm just so excited. Yes, I'm glad that that lady did tell me the 80 plus balls fit the curvy dolls. Because my curvy dolls did need some shoes. And like I said, somebody said that Patina can wear the teeny shoes. I just got to, you know, force them on her. Which I'm really careful with her, because this is Patina, by the way, if you don't know. She is 58 years old, and so I am particular with, you know, not forcing things on her, because I don't want her to break. She was made in Japan for 1 year, 1966, and she is my emotional support therapy dog. She truly, really is. That's not a joke. Sounds like a joke, but it's not. I have lots of medical issues and just chronic pain and things going on. And so Patina helps take my mind off of those things. Like when I'm taking photos of her or dressing her and stuff like that, it really just takes my mind. Even if it's only for a few minutes, it's my little escape from my chronic pain. All right, Patina, back up just a little. Let's see what we got here. Whoa. Okay. Let's see. Okay, this feels like a smaller purse. This would be the purse. Oh, it's... Oh. And it has MF all over it. It is cute, little sporty purse. It has some little flowers on it and MF. So, yeah. That is cute. It's a cute little stylish purse. Alright, let's see what else we got. That is adorable. So far, I haven't got a repeat, but if I do, I can share with the neighbor kid or somebody else, another friend, you know. Okay, these shoes are a repeat, but they're still adorable. And so I might have, that's what I might have. Since this is a repeat, I might get Big Daddy to take his Dremel and go down there and kind of hollow that out a little bit and up that way, so that it would slide on Patina's foot better. Because I think she can wear these shoes. We just gotta put them on her. But look at that. So cute. And then the little purse. Let's see what else we got. We got some sunglasses. Now these they're too little for Patina, but they will fit a Barbie. But they're really cute and stylish. Oh gosh. And then here's a little gold headband that's got MF all the way across it. MF. So today we know that stands for mini fashions. Before we didn't know what MF stood for, but we do now. Those are cute. Look at that. Thank you, Big Daddy, for such fun little surprise balls. He is so good to me, and he likes to hit me up with these little things here because he knows they make me happy, and they just bring me a little bit of joy and take my mind off of, you know, my finger. It is angry. I don't know if you can tell how red it is around this whole end of it, and it's just throbbing in pain. And so cute little things like this just bring me some happiness and some joy and take my mind off things like that. And so yes, I love trinkets and silly things and cutesies. I'm all about the cute stuff, and these are just so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. All right, guys, Thank you for joining me today. I will see you all in the next video. I hope you have a wonderful day, whatever it is you choose to do. And if you are a crocheter, it's a beautiful day to crochet. And if you have other hobbies, it's a beautiful day to do any other hobby too. All right, guys. Bye, friends.